Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Be in your home and be safe, okay? So, in our previous English class, we have completed a lesson from your new pathway book, is it? The second lesson, My Early Days with the Chimpanzees, is it? Do you remember that? Okay. So, I have given the notes for you. Have you completed it? Okay, good. Those who haven't completed, write it fast, okay? And I have read up to frame sentence for you, is it? Synonyms, antonyms, verb form, and also frame sentence. I have read it for you. And in your next class, I will read this, answer the following for you, okay? So, before that, you want to complete your notes and keep your notes ready, okay? So, in your next class, I will read the answer the following for you. Okay, so in this class you are going to study a new lesson from your Echoes book. Okay, so from your Echoes book you are going to study a new lesson. Shall we start that? Are you ready? Okay, so the topic of today's class is talking about the past. Okay, talking about the past. So have you heard the word past before? Have you studied this in grammar? Tense, three types of tense are there: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Have you studied this? Present tense means the things that is happening presently, at now. Okay, I am teaching, you are listening, so this comes under present tense. Past tense means the things that happened yesterday, early morning, then 2 days before, 3 months before, some years before. Okay, these all comes under past tense. And future tense means the things that will happen after some days or tomorrow. Okay, so have you studied this in your grammar? Okay, so in this we are going to see this past. Okay, past means the actions that have done before. Okay, the actions that have completed. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to see the things that have happened in the past. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so now you can take your Echoes book and take page number 18 in that. Okay, take your Echoes book and take page number 18 in that. And in this lesson there are two characters. Okay, Wilma and Fred. Okay, Wilma and Fred, two characters are there. And these two characters, this Fred, he will forget everything, and this Wilma will help him to remember that. Okay, so this Fred has the habit of forgetting the things that he has done in the past. Okay, and what Wilma will do, she will make him to remember everything what he has done in the past. Okay, so now you can take your Echoes book and take page number 18, open your book, and I will read this. Just listen first. Okay, so listen carefully. So don't be playful while seeing this video. Just open your book, and when I'm reading, listen carefully, each line by line listen. Okay, so lesson 2, talking about the past. Listen to how Wilma helps Fred remember things he has already done. So four sets of conversation is given for you. Okay, and the first one, what are you doing, Fred? You have already brushed your teeth once. No, when? You brushed them about half an hour ago. Okay, the next one, should we watch Ragging River? We haven't watched this movie. We have watched Ragging River. We watched it 3 months back. Oh, I forgot. Then the next page, 19, page number 19, the third conversation. Sorry, I forgot to put the garbage out. No, dear, you didn't. You have put the garbage out. Remember, you put the garbage out last night. And the last conversation. Where's my soup? You didn't give me any soup today. Oh, Fred, I have given you your soup. I gave you the soup before you ate your bread. It was tomato soup, remember. So, these four conversations are there for you. And what I'm going to do means I will read one conversation and explain you. Okay, here there is nothing to explain here because only this Vilma, she is making this Fred to remember the things that has happened in the past. Okay, only that conversation is given there. And in this lesson, the past tense, it's given importance. Okay, okay, so see here the first conversation. What are you doing, Fred? You have already brushed your teeth once. No. When? You brushed them about half an hour ago. So in this conversation we can know that this Fred, he had already brushed his teeth. Okay, in the early morning we everyone will brush our teeth, is it? In the same way, this boy, this Fred also, he had brushed his teeth already, and he forgot that. Okay, he forgot that, and so what he is doing, he is getting ready to brush. Okay, and during that time, who sees that? Vilma sees him. Okay, and she says that already you have brushed your teeth once. Okay, so she is saying him that why are you brushing it now? Already you have brushed your teeth, no? And he doesn't remember when he brushed. Okay, and he is asking, no, when I brushed my teeth, I didn't brush. In that way he is asking this to Vilma. Okay, and she says that before half an hour you brushed your teeth. Okay, so this incident is happening in the morning. Okay, because during morning time we will brush the teeth, is it? So have you understood this? This Fred is forgetting the things that has happened in the past. Okay, he only brushed his teeth half an hour ago, but he itself forgot that. Okay, and who is making him to remember? Yeah, Vilma is making him to remember. Okay, and she helps him to remember the things. Okay, before this conversation itself, you can see there, have you seen a sentence there? Listen to how Vilma helps Fred forget listen to how Vilma helps Fred forget remember things he has already done. Okay, so have you understood this first conversation? Okay, so in the first conversation he is going to brush the teeth, and Vilma makes him to remember that he had brushed his teeth before half an hour. Okay, so this is the first conversation. And the second conversation, we can move to the second conversation. Should we watch Ragging River? We haven't watched this movie. We have watched Ragging River. We watched it 3 months back. Oh, I forgot. So this place is like a TV is there, and Vilma is sitting there and she's going to watch some movies, is it? By seeing this place, we can say that. Am I right? Okay. So in during this time, who comes there? Fred comes there, and he says that, shall we watch Ragging River? Okay, and he is asking Vilma that whether we can watch this movie Ragging River. Okay, and he also says that we haven't watched this before, and this is the first time we are going to watch, so shall we watch it? Okay, and during that time Vilma says that no, we have watched this before 3 months itself. Okay, so he had forgotten everything. Okay, so he had forgotten the things that he had done in the past. Okay, already he had watched it 3 months before, but he forgot it. Okay, the past incident. Okay, and he is asking this Vilma, shall we watch that? And Vilma told that no, already we have watched this movie Ragging River, and we watched this 3 months before. Okay, and he remembers that suddenly. Okay, and he says that, oh, I forgot that. Okay, so he remembers that thing. Okay, that he has watched this movie. Okay, so have you understood the second conversation? In the first conversation, he forgot that he had brushed his teeth, is it? And Milma helps him to remember that he had brushed his teeth half an hour before itself. Okay, and in the second one, he forgets that he had watched the movie Ragging River. Okay, and during this time also, Milma helps him to remember that he had watched this movie before 3 months. Okay, so have you understood the two conversations? Shall we move to the third one? Okay, so the third one, listen here. Sorry, I forget to put the garbage out. No, dear, you didn't. You have put the garbage out. Remember, you put the garbage out last night. Okay, so this boy Fred, already he had thrown out the garbage. Okay, and the next day he is saying that sorry, I forgot to put the garbage out. Garbage means the waste. Okay, we also, we will, while sweeping or while doing anything, what we will do, we will take out the waste and we will put it in the dustbin, is it? So in cities and all, what they will do means they will put that in the dustbin, and weekly once someone will come to collect the waste. Okay, so this boy, he has put the garbage outside. Okay, so he forgot that. Okay, outside there will be the dustbins in the roadside. Have you seen that? In the roadside, many dustbins will be there, big size dustbins will be there, and in that the people will be putting the dusters, is it? And weekly once a vehicle will come and they will take away every dust from that place, or else they will take that dustbin and they will replace another one dustbin for that. Have you ever seen that? Okay, so this boy, he has put the dust waste in that dustbin already. Okay, but he forgot that. Okay, and he is saying that sorry, I have forgot to put the waste in the dustbin. And what he is trying to, he is trying to take the waste and put it in the dustbin. Okay, so during that time Milma makes him to remember that no, already you have put the dust in the dustbin the previous day night itself. Okay, so have you understood this? The last night, the things that happened in the last night comes in past tense, is it? I slept last night, that comes in past tense. The things, the action that is completed. Am I right? Okay, so this Milma, she is making him to remember that no, already you have put the garbage outside, and remember that, remember the thing that you have put this garbage yesterday night itself. Okay, so have you understood the third conversation? Shall we move to the fourth one? Okay, so fourth conversation, see here. Where's my soup? You didn't give me any soup today. Oh Fred, I have given you your soup. I gave you the soup before you ate your bread. It was tomato soup, remember? So he is, by seeing this conversation, we can say that this boy is in the dining room, is it? And he is ready to eat. Am I right? Okay, so in the, from the dining room, he is sitting in the chair and he is asking, where is my soup? Okay, so he is saying that he is complaining that you didn't give me any soup today. Okay, when we are seeing his shirt, we can see some tomato soup is filled there, is it? By seeing that, we can understand that he had drank the soup. He has, is it? So he forgot that and he is asking, where is my soup? And you didn't give it to me till now, and I need my soup. Okay, and so during that time Vilma comes there and she said that I have given the soup for you already, and before you ate your bread itself I gave the soup. Okay, and she also makes him to remember that it was tomato soup. Okay, so he is asking for the soup because he forgot what has happened in the past. Okay, what he has ate. Okay, and she makes him to remember that he already ate the tomato soup. Okay, so have you understood this? These are the 4 conversations here. The first one is about brushing the teeth, is it? He forgot that he already brushed his teeth, and Vilma makes him to remember that already he had brushed his teeth. Okay, and the second one is watching a movie, Ragging River, is it? And they already watched this Ragging River movie before 3 months ago, but he forgot that, and Vilma makes him to remember. And the next one is this throwing the waste outside, is it? He had put the waste outside the last night, but he forgot that, and Vilma makes him to remember that also. And the last conversation is about the soup. He forgot that he had ate the soup itself. Okay, and Vilma makes him to remember that already she gave him the tomato soup, and he ate it before he ate the bread. Okay, so have you understood this? Okay, so see, in this lesson the importance is given for past tense, is it? So what is past tense? Past tense is used to talk about the past actions, is it? So it helps us to remember the past actions, is it? Past means the action that are completed already. Okay, so the actions that has happened today also, we can say it as a past tense, is it? Today means before you are watching this video, sometimes you might have watched another video. Okay, sometimes you might have watched your Tamil video or your social video. Okay, so that also comes under past tense. Okay, because that action was already completed. Okay, so 2 years back you are in 3rd standard, is it? Am I right? So that also comes in under past tense. Okay, so have you understood this? What is past tense? And in this lesson the 4 conversation is given there, and this 4 conversation also explains about the past tense. Okay, so the main thing is that it is given about the past tense, but it was explained to us by a small story. Okay, that Fred is forgetting everything and Vilma is making him to remember that things. Okay, with the help of that they have explained about the past tense. Okay, so have you understood this? Okay, so an example is, yesterday I slept in my grandma's home. Okay, have you understood? So then next one, they won the game 3 years back. Okay, so this has completed 3 years back. Okay, so that incident also comes under past tense. Okay, so have you understood this? I hope you all have understood this. Thank you, students.